Alrighty, so this is my next project right here. I'm calling this the back 40. It's behind, catty corner from the house, behind the main garden. But this right here is the culprit for housing all the grasshoppers that devour my garden. Over here is where it gets really, really bushy and woodsy, and as you can tell, it's already starting to grow back for the season. But this is the area, like I said, that houses all the grasshoppers. They come here to bask in the shade, and then when they have an appetite, they go and devour my garden. So this all right here is being cleaned out and cleared out. Right here in this area, this is right next to the rose bush. Right here I'm going to have my first attempt at growing corn. And as we go towards the corner of the fence line over here, this is where I'm going to house, back here towards the very back of the fence line, I'm going to have some nettles over here, which I hear that ladybugs love and are attracted to, as well as aphids, which is what attracts the ladybugs. And then along this fence line over here towards the barn, I'm going to have comfrey, which is also good for composting, which I hope to attempt this season. This is what 3 hours of work did. 3 hours of hard labor. Big difference. Still have a long ways to go, but we still accomplished a lot. Our little friend, the armadillo, it always freaks me out. Still after 5 years, I'm still not used to it. Yep. And this branch right here is coming down. It's leaning over, hanging over here because it's bent and broken at the top, so that's why it's leaning down. But that's gonna be gone with a chainsaw soon. And then my beautiful sunflowers will go along the fence line on this side. And this tree right here I was gonna get rid of, but decided against it and thought it's still a tree. The tree is still alive, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I don't like cutting down trees for all the benefits they offer. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. This bucket has to go. But yeah, so we trimmed a bunch of trees off, a bunch of limbs, brush, little mini trees that were here.
Chainsaw.
Yeah, as Pete just said, we're just gonna get those down with the chainsaw. This little tiny tree right here, that I'm gonna get rid of. But we'll keep the bigger tree.
Alright, but see how that's going in like a gypsy wagon or whatever?
But once you put the T-post in,
Yeah. It'll straighten it up.
Yeah.
So. Awesome man is 55.
How tall the T-post is going to be?
Well, if we go 2 into the ground, get it right.
Left here?
Yeah, so 6 foot.
These are 7. 5 to 6 feet.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the cloud. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back. Keep failing. Research, 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 fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the cloud. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep
The object is to make it go into the ground, not just make a sound.